Welcome to our 4-H Kitchen. My name is Madeline Mitchell.
And my name is Zakiah Johnson.
And we're members of the 4-H Food and Fitness Board. Today we will be teaching you how to make healthy ranch dip. The ingredients for this recipe include 1 cup of low-fat plain Greek yogurt. Many times this recipe will use sour cream or mayonnaise. Greek yogurt has lower calories and fat than sour cream or mayonnaise. 1.5 teaspoons of honey. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This adds tang to the recipe. 2 teaspoons of fresh parsley chopped. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. This adds flavor but should be used in moderation. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. In a mixing bowl, whisk the yogurt, oil, vinegar, and honey together until smooth. Then add all the spices to the yogurt mixture and continue to whisk until everything is smooth and well combined. Thank you for joining us today to learn more about healthy ranch dip. You can enjoy this with fresh veggies like carrots and cucumbers. And remember 4-H Kitchen's rule.